Basic classroom instructions for kids.
Sit, sit. Stand, stand. Line up, line up. Eat, eat. Wash your hands, wash your hands. Help your friends, help your friends. Read, read. Write, write. Draw, draw. Listen, listen. Exercise, exercise. Raise your hand.
What's inside the classroom?
Classmates, classmates. Teacher, teacher. Chair, chair. Table, table. Desk, desk. Whiteboard, whiteboard. Chalk, chalk. Marker, marker. Pencil colors. Crayons, crayons. Pencil, pencil. Eraser, eraser. Sharpener, sharpener. Scissors, scissors. Door, door. Window, window. Cupboard, cupboard. Books, books. Notebook, notebook.
What's in my bag?
Bag, bag. Lunchbox, lunchbox. Water bottle, water bottle. Pencil case or pouch. Ruler or scale.
What do I wear to school?
Uniform, uniform. Shoes, shoes. Socks, socks.
All about school.
School, school bus, school bus. Playground, playground.
Thanks for watching.